Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick middle of the day update. It is a quiet day. It is a quiet day as I already assumed, but Bitcoin is showing a small green candle there. Continues to hold support. So let's just do a quick look here. Let's just do a quick assessment of the current structure. Bigger picture, absolutely. So bigger picture anyway, unchanged. We are here in a situation in which we have a bullish trend. We broke above the 2023 high. If we get a deep pullback, we will first see it as a wave 2 correction, which is typically a correction that is designed to make people feel bearish. It's designed to kick a lot of people out of the market. It can be quite deep. Wave 2s can be shallow. Bitcoin tends to do shallow wave 2s. So yeah, wave 2 can be shallow, often it's deep though. So we have to take the entire support area into consideration. We will be able to specify the target a little bit more precisely once we get closer to it. But overall, bullish support is 27,290. And as I said before, the bull market is stable, strong, as long as we're holding 27,290. Below that level, of course, we have to change opinion. That's just what the market then tells us, right? So it's not so much about predicting the market or anything. It's not a prophecy. This is about identifying the levels when the trend changes. So, but we're not even sure if we are already in the wave 2. At the moment, we're holding micro support levels. So my preferred scenario is that Bitcoin is still in the wave 1 up there. So we highlighted that as yellow, just sort of as additional pathway here that can give us an extension higher in yellow to the chart. So it's the yellow micro count here that should take the price to round about 41k. Further extensions are always possible, but the bottom line is that as long as our micro support level is holding, that is the preferred perspective. It was also a trade setup that, as far as I can see right now, would have already generated a profitable trade for anybody who used it. Why? Because the idea was that up here, I highlighted to you, we might get into this support area now. As long as support is holding, we can watch for a third wave rally to the upside. And yeah, and this is the area to scale in, and the price already left it to the upside just at this last swing high. So that needs to be broken now. That is basically at the current level, 36,850. It might still fail. Yeah, it's not enough price action to really confirm we are in the third wave. But if we indeed are in the third wave of the larger degree fifth wave of the first wave, then I can give you a target for that. And that is valid as long as we're holding 35,450, which is the 78.6 retracement level. So ideal target for the third wave would be, I mean, at absolute minimum, I'd like to see 39,530. Better would be 40k. Now, or extensions always possible. But yeah, it's fighting. It's still in this ascending wedge pattern though that we talked about in the previous video. Now again, you can call that maybe even an ascending triangle. That's where the how should I say, the subjective nature of these more traditional patterns comes in. So what we want to do is we keep it objective. We stick to mathematics, Fibonacci levels, yeah. And as long as that support is holding, the focus is on higher. A break below it, a break below the yellow support box will lead to probably a reset of the wave 4, so that this wave 4 never finished, the wave 5 never started, so it can reset a little lower. Then we will have to watch for okay, where can we restart it? Yeah. But for now, let's see if support is holding. It's still not much more to add really. It really takes a break above 38k to confirm that the third wave is unfolding. I gave you a target for it for the third wave, and then we should get a fourth wave, which should be shallow, and then a fifth wave of the fifth wave, which can then complete the larger degree wave 1. There is not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find there additional content every single day, stuff about mindset trading, technical analysis. You'll find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.